Hi, I'm Sharon Riley Morosi, Assistant Director for the East Brunswick Department on Aging, and this is the Voice of Experience. I'm here today with Abbas Dohadwala. Abbas is the AARP Tax Coordinator for our Income Tax Assistance Program here at the East Brunswick Senior Center. Abbas, what can you tell us about the Income Tax Assistance Program?
The AARP Tax Assistance Program is a free tax service provided to low and moderate income senior citizens, those who are 60 and older. And it's a free tax service. We also do the New Jersey state taxes and the property tax reimbursement if it's required.
Abbas, what would you say to someone who is concerned about their documents and keeping them safe? What do you do to protect them?
Well, first of all, we make sure that we check the ID of all the individuals who are filing their tax returns, which includes a social security card or a driver's license. And we also check the papers for all the dependents. And we electronically file the tax returns, and we return all the documents to the taxpayer, so we don't keep any paperwork with us.
Now, I know you have several volunteers. What preparation do they go through to be able to do this work?
All the tax preparers here are tested and certified by the IRS every year. We have to attend classes, take the tests, pass the exams, and these are all preparers who are residents of East Brunswick and are happy to do the tax service for the seniors.
Abbas, what is the taxpayer's responsibility? What type of documentation do they need to bring with them?
Well, the taxpayers have to understand that this is their return and they are responsible for the taxes that are filed. So they have to bring all the information that's necessary for us to prepare an accurate return, which means that they should bring all their income information and all the expenses that they wish to deduct. So we need to have all of that information available to us. And essentially, the taxpayers are responsible for all the tax information.
Are there any tax returns that you would not do?
There are certain tax returns we will not do when there is some rental property involved, or if there is some small business where the expenses are in excess of $10,000. And if there are other foreign transactions of the different types and complicated returns with more than 10 stock transactions, we generally don't do those tax returns.
Okay, any issues with New Jersey tax returns?
For this year, there are no new issues as far as the New Jersey tax returns. We will continue to do the property tax reimbursement forms as before, but there are no major changes in New Jersey taxes for this year.
Now, when you do the property tax reimbursement form, I know there's a PTR 1A or 2A. Can you talk about that form?
Yeah, these two forms have to be initially filled out by the municipal tax office. And once they are done, then if the taxpayer brings that information together with the forms, then we are able to do the PTRs.
Okay. And how has the Affordable Care Act affected income tax filing?
Yeah, this year, because of the Affordable Care Act, we have some additional tax information that we need to work with and provide to the IRS. We need to find out if the taxpayers have health insurance. Since most of our seniors are in Medicare, Medicaid, or if you have insurance provided through your employers, then the Affordable Care Act is not going to affect the filing of the returns. But those people who need to get insurance on their own, then they need to buy the insurance from the marketplace, and they have to bring that information, which comes in Form 1065A, for us to prepare the return to satisfy the Affordable Care Act requirement.
Okay, so how would someone go about getting their taxes done?
They can come here to the East Brunswick Senior Center, and we are very thankful that we have had the Senior Center available for us for the last 34 years or so. And they provide us the resources and the facility to do the taxes at the East Brunswick Senior Center in East Brunswick.
What days and times are you here?
We are generally here from the beginning of February till the middle of April. This time, April 15 is the last day that we'll be here. We meet on Wednesdays and Fridays from 9 to 12.
So does someone need to make an appointment?
Yes, definitely you need to make appointments since some of the returns can take quite a while.
Okay. Well, as the boss said, this program has been going on here in East Brunswick for many, many years. And as the Department on Aging celebrates its 40th anniversary this year, this is probably our longest running program. And we are proud to offer this service and grateful for all the volunteers, both our current volunteers and all those who have done the work in the past to provide this service for our East Brunswick residents. Boss, thank you.
Thank you, Sharon. I appreciate your help.
If you would like more information about our income tax assistance program or any other programs and services available through the East Brunswick Department on Aging, then please call us at 732-390-6896. And please remember, the East Brunswick Department on Aging is here to help you and yours age successfully.